Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing a new Flashback Friday tutorial. And today we're doing Haus Labs again. And this time we're doing the Rose Bitch collection. So we have the lip liner in drag, which is a mauve color. Then we have entranced lip gloss, which is like a multi-dimensional, like pearly lip gloss. And then we have Rose Bitch Glam Attack, which is just a purpley, mauvey eyeshadow shimmer powder liquid. And yeah, I came up with this look. And when I was thinking about what look I wanted to do for this Flashback Friday, I was just browsing on Instagram and I came across Haus Labs Instagram. I followed them on Instagram and I went to the page and I scrolled all the way down and I found the like original promo shoots for the Rose Bitch collection. And the model for that collection actually has a gap as well. So when I saw that, I just I don't know, I just wanted to use that collection. And yeah, I was listening to Nicki Minaj earlier, Chungli, so that's what's going on with the bun. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you do. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. So as always, I'm going to start out with a primer. This is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And just dab that all over your eyelid. So this is the palette where I got my highlight from today. So it's called Be Kissed by the Moon and it's by Essence. And I used this lilac color. And I'm just using that right on the brow bone. And I'm kind of connecting it down to the cheek highlights. And I don't take it all the way in, I stop about here. So now I'm going to use my contour and bronze palette. And this is the contour palette by e.l.f. and I'm going to use the two bronze and contour shades up here. And with my MAC 224, I'm just going to start in the outer crease and just pop this right into the crease. And I bring it up in here towards the brow. And I just blend it out together kind of with the highlight color. And I just keep blending. I want to make it very soft. I want a quite natural look. I'm going to put on Rose Bitch Glam Attack by Haus Labs. And the way I do it is just that I start in kind of the center and move in and cover most of the lid. I don't go all the way out. I stop about there. And then I use my ring finger and I just start patting it in, patting it out. And then I go back in with my blending brush and I just blend out the edges. Then I go back in with the highlight around the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm applying the two crease colors underneath the eye. And now I'm going to use this Exaggerate eyeliner by Rimmel in the color In the Nude on the waterline. So this one is a little stiff, so I have to work with it a little bit more, unfortunately. But a better alternative, I think, is the Rimmel Scandalized Nude eyeliner. And then of course all that's left is the mascara. So as always, I'm using Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer. And then I use Sephora Collection The Mascara and Outrageous Extension Mascara. Okay, so the lip combo today is Haus Labs Drag Lip Liner with some Haus Labs Entranced Lip Gloss on top.
Progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with.
Okay, so here we have the finished look. As always, let me know what you think of the look down below. And in the description box, I will link my last Haus Labs makeup look. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click the bell to get post notifications. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.